What's going on, everybody? It's Rick from Gardening with Barchuckin. I'm starting some seeds again. It's August 10th. I'll show you my seed starting mix and what I plan on growing. What I have in here is equal parts compost and peat moss, and I sifted it with my 1/4 inch sieve, so it breaks everything down and has everything about the same size. We don't want any real big chunks when we're trying to start seeds. So I'm just going to fill these containers up and load them into my 32 cell tray. I'm trying to fill them up but not pack them in. Try to leave it as loose as possible so the seeds and the roots can punch through. So here are the seeds that I plan on planting. Paris Island Romaine, black seeded Simpson lettuce, Ashley cucumber, Lacinato Dinosaur kale. I haven't got dino kale to grow for me yet, or spinach to really grow well, so I'm trying another spinach, red Russian kale, red Acre cabbage, and Diplomat broccoli. To give everything the best chance to germinate, I'm going to go ahead and put a few seeds in each cell. Start off with the broccoli. Very tiny seeds. Broccoli out there. The red Acre cabbage next. Another bunch of small seeds, similarly sized. Cabbage. Red Russian kale. And if you kind of notice, all these seeds right now look about the same. That's because they're all in that Brassica family. Red Russian kale. The spinach. I kind of like the spinach seed because it's a little bigger and I can actually see it. This is why I want the soil nice and loose. It just covers it and it should allow it to germinate with little to no effort. Next, dino kale. Yeah, for whatever reason, the dino kale I have not been able to grow well, and spinach. As you see, the same as the other brassicas. What I'm doing with these is I'm just putting a little tiny bit of a depression so that I know about where the seed is. Dino kale. The Ashley cucumber. black seeded Simpson lettuce. Very tiny seeds. I'm just throwing a bunch in here. The packet came with 1,000, so, and I may have used 20. Simpson lettuce. And lastly, the Paris Island Romaine lettuce. Another pack of itty bitty seeds. Hopefully you can see the seeds. That's the romaine lettuce. You have to be careful that you don't bury the seeds too deep. 3 times the size of the seed. So if your seed's this big, you want to plant it, 3 down. I'm going to water these in, and hopefully in a couple weeks I'll have some stuff germinated. I can get it into the garden, growing through the fall. Well, thanks for coming along with me, and I hope you enjoyed it. Have a great day. Equal parts peat moss and compost. Woo-wee.